What's one of the best ways to make money? Making money daily. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 side hustles that pay daily. Now, the first side hustle is great for people who are looking for fast cash flow. A lot of people want to get into investing, but they don't have the thousands of dollars to invest. So, what they do is they take out loans, they put their house on the line, all for a little bit of extra cash flow. What if you could make hundreds of dollars every single day without having to put anything on the line? Without further ado, let me introduce you to food delivery. This is a great side hustle for people who need immediate cash flow because you can get paid daily. All you need is a car or a bike, and you're good to go. It's super easy to sign up and start making money right away. And the best part is you can work whenever you want. This is a great side hustle for people who have other jobs because you can do this in your free time. You can pick up extra shifts, you can pick up extra cash flow, and you can do it at your own leisure. And if you want to take it to the next level, you can actually go on TaskRabbit and do food delivery and pick up even more money. Number 2 is great for beginners. People always get intimidated by investing because they feel like they need to know everything about the market. But the truth is, you don't need to be an expert to make money. There are so many different ways to make money in the market, and one of the easiest ways is through freelancing. People always say money is hard to come by, but it's really not. There are so many different ways to make money, and freelancing is one of them. If you're a beginner looking to make some quick cash, this is the perfect side hustle for you. With freelancing, you can set your own hours, work from home, and make your own schedule. Plus, there are so many different platforms where you can find work. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to start, and you can easily find work and start making money right away. Freelancing is a great way to make some extra cash on the side, but it can also be a great way to build a business. If you're consistent and you put in the work, you can turn your freelancing side hustle into a full-time income stream. And if you really want to take it to the next level, you can even turn it into a passive income stream. The third side hustle is great for beginners because it doesn't require any experience. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection, and you're good to go. And with reselling, you can make your own hours, work from anywhere, and be your own boss. The best part about reselling is that you can start with very little money. All you need is a few $100s to get started, and you can use that money to buy products from thrift stores or garage sales and resell them online. This is a great way to make money because you can literally buy items for pennies on the dollar and resell them for a profit. Reselling is a great side hustle for people who are creative and have an eye for detail. If you're good at finding hidden gems at thrift stores or garage sales, you can turn this side hustle into a full-time income stream. So there you have it, 3 side hustles that pay daily. Whether you're looking for a way to make some extra cash or you're looking for a new career, these side hustles are a great place to start. Remember, consistency is key. If you put in the work, you can make it happen. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.